Hello everyone. Hello everyone, Dhanrakshan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be visiting Makandava rainforest. Also, if possible, if we have enough time, we'll be visiting to a couple of waterfalls as well. So today my travel buddy is Amish. Okay, so this is my first video for 2021. Wish you all a very happy new year. All the best to all your future endorsers, and hopefully to have an amazing year. So guys, we'll be from Colombo. We will be going towards Makandava rainforest in the Avisavela road. Hopefully to reach there by within next couple of hours. What's up guys, now we are heading towards Makandava forest. I am right now parking the four-wheeler, and as you can see, can't actually see a board on this bridge, and I believe it's Kaluganga, and so we just will be there by another 40 minutes with 25 kilometers away. So hopefully to do a 2-hour trek inside the forest. So guys, passing Kitulgala junction, onto your right side there is a rest house. Onto the right side, then you have an empty space where you can put your vehicles. There are a couple of houses who are taking care of this parking, so they charge 300 rupees for the one vehicle for the entire day, which is a good sign, since you're one of the valuable stuffs you're keeping it here, so they will make sure 100% safe. So let's go now towards the Parua, and seems like we have to take a Parua and then across the river we have the Makanda village, and let's see how it goes. So when passing the parking lot, after coming down 50 meters, you have a small shop where you can find small snacks like biscuits, all of that. If you are interested, you can buy that as well. And then there is a step. So it says we have to get a small boat to go to the other side of the river. Let's see how it goes. What did he say? Also it says do not bath here because it's too dangerous. As you can see, the Parua is on the other side. We're just getting into the Parua, so it's only about 20 minutes, 20 meters right from here. Look at these fishes, man. We're just now in the Parua, and we just saw some, as you all see, some really good fishers, and which is only available in this location. It's called Mukade fishery kya na? Main Malwar kya? Lelua. It's called Lelua, and we can see some more inside the Makanda village and the forest. Let's hope it will be a good journey for us. So for the Parua, they charge 100 rupees to take you across the river, and see you guys again. So after getting down from Parua, you have to walk for about 500 meters to the ticketing counter, and as you can see, both the side you have tea plantation done through these villages. So this must be the ticketing center where we need to buy a ticket. So as per the villages, it's only 30 rupees we need to spend on a ticket. Let's see. So seems like on Sundays, I don't know, there is no officer inside the registration desk. So we thought anyway we have to go inside. Let's visit inside. There is no restriction as such, and hopefully not to get lost inside the forest. So there is a two-way option where you have. So seems like there is a small river on this path. Also we have another path which says there is a waterfall on this path. Okay, and so first we are gonna go towards the down road where we could see a river, and then again track towards the waterfall. So after walking for about close to a kilometer, we found this river, and as you can see, it's amazing. Looks fantastic, where you can spend out the rest of the day here, and you can enjoy the nature like really crazy, man. You need to come here to enjoy this feeling, to have the same feeling that I have. So as you can see, you see a sudden drop. Let's see how it looks. We're gonna go towards the drop now. Be careful when you're walking in the water, because it might slip and it will be really dangerous. And Wow, man. Look at the crystal clear water. Look at the crystal clear water that you can see. You can see everything. Literally, I believe you can even drink. So seems like there is no drop here. Like I explained, I don't think we have a drop here, but it's a slight. Now that we went to the river, and then now we took again came up about 300 meters back and going towards the waterfall that we saw earlier, showed on the board. So let's hope this will be a amazing one. And it's slightly started raining, hopefully to finish the track before it rains heavily. Look at the view, guys. So amazing to see fresh water, clear water without any pollution. Oh, I was about to fall. Look at this, guys. Kalan. It's a big one. We just came here after 45 to 50 minutes, almost an hour trek, and inside the forest you have name boards kept by the forest officers, I believe. They have directed us on each entity, which route we need to take. All of that is mentioned, and so finally we are going to end the track here with a natural pool. We are going to have a nice cool bath here, and it started raining also. I believe we need to quick and to go fast back to our junction. So guys, we're just ending the vlog from here, and we just had a bath, really nice bath with a natural pool. It's not deep also, and we had it here. We're gonna about to leave now. It's 2 p.m. and we're gonna go back. It's a 1 hour trek to the starting point that we entered to Makanda forest, and let's see over there. So guys, once again reminding you all, if you are coming here, please be kind enough to bring these socks, so prepare yourself for leeches. because it's really tough to manage leeches, and you have quite a big chunk of leeches coming towards you. So make sure you bring salt water or soap water, something that prevent from leeches. So we are in the end of the trip. So this is where we have to get the parwa, and then we have to go towards the other side of the river to get the vehicle and to go home.